Hey, it's Laura with Healthy Places Recovering from Mental Illness blog. I want to take a moment to flip the script on the idea of how big life changes, or even just big changes in general, can hurt your mental health recovery. A lot of the time when we look at big changes, we worry that it's going to negatively impact us. And in recovery, that can especially be true when we're in a good place with our progress. We feel like we're taking steps forward that are bettering ourselves and our situation. And so when a big change is coming up, we think, oh no, what if this hurts me somehow? What if that undoes the work that's already been done? But that doesn't have to be the case. I know there's a lot of uncertainty around big changes. It's unfamiliar situations. It can even feel uncomfortable. I know that's what I often deal with. It's feeling uncomfortable with whatever's coming up. But big changes can also bring about positive things. It might bring to light something that you didn't realize was holding you back a bit or hurting you in some way. It can unravel maybe hurtful, harmful, toxic behaviors, things like that. And it might even just bring to light new strategies you hadn't even thought of that enhance the work that you're already doing. And you know, it's not necessarily something we always think of. Like I said, we think, oh, big changes, it's just going to disrupt everything, and, you know, not in necessarily a positive way. But like I said, let's flip the script on that. Let's think as well, not only how it might negatively impact us, but what good we might get from it. And in doing that, we can better plan for it. We can, you know, feel more comfortable going into a change and feel like we have, like I said, a plan. Would love to hear your thoughts on this. If you want to join the conversation, leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.